what's great about this quake was that it was so strong that these surface waves were able to travel the entire planet multiple times. We can actually extract the information about the interior structure of Mars. Where is the dominant seismicity? Where did the largest quake happen? And all these information, I think, is really a key to select sort of the base, if you will, in the future.
Touchdown confirmed.